Okay, the class I took yesterday, I didn't send a video to you, which is RSI, Relative Strength Index. So let me quickly drop the short video to that one too. So like I said, if you want to add your indicators, click on that point F, then click on main chart, then look for RSI or Relative Strength Index. Just click done. Now can you see the Relative Strength Index is the one down here? Can you see that? Now remember yesterday that in the lecture I sent to you that anytime you actually want to check a particular trend, whether you want to buy or you want to sell, and you want to determine that using your Relative Strength Index. Now what you need to do is to see whether the Relative Strength Index has entered into the 50% region. How do you check that? We only have 0, 30 and 70. We don't have 50 here. How do we know if it has entered what's it called, 50? What is, you can click on your, look at your crochet, which is the plus sign. You can click on it, then drag it here, drag it down here to get your 50. Can you see that? 49, 50. Let me just put it here. So anytime your Relative Strength Index is above this 50, it's telling you that the buy is very, very strong and I should enter into the market. Now look at it. When this Relative Strength Index is at 50% region above, look at your stochastic oscillator. What was it doing? It was buying. Yeah, look at your candlestick. What happened? Also buying. That means you confirm that using three indicators: the candlestick, the stochastic oscillator, and the Relative Strength Index. Now let's check for buy. Let's check. Let's see if it's when it's below the 50%. Let me click on this my crochet again. 50. I just want 50. Let me say 50 now. Look at it. When it is below here, below the 50, what happened here around here? It was down. You understand? Selling. Look at this point, this region. Can you see? Can you see that this thing is below 50? What happened? It was selling. Can you see that? At this point it was selling because it is what below that. So that is just how to use your Relative Strength Index. So I just want to put it on the landscape so that you guys can see it very well. So can you see that now? That is how to use your Relative Strength Index, your stochastic oscillator, and I have sent a video on how to use a moving average. So another indicator I discussed, I will be sending the video so that you guys can get it.